If you're intimidated by fudge and think it's some mystical dessert only wizards or pastry chefs can master, let me clear that up right now. Fudge is not magic, it's just chocolate, sugar, and a little know-how. With the right tools, you'll feel like a pro, or at least someone who didn't burn the kitchen down. Before you dive in and realize you're missing a crucial tool, been there, done that, let's get everything ready. Spoiler alert, you don't need a degree in chocolate wizardry, just a few basics and a sense of humor. Trust me, once you see how easy it is, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Let's do this. Let's kick things off with the double boiler. Now, before you panic and think, do I need to buy one of those fancy things? Relax. All you need is a small pot and a large glass bowl. Put the bowl over the pot with some simmering water and voila, you've got yourself a double boiler. It's perfect for melting chocolate into a silky, dreamy consistency. And trust me, nothing screams professional fudge maker like melted chocolate that's smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. By the way, I have a whole video where I go in depth on how to set up your double boiler, so check that out if you need more details. The humble silicone spatula. This little hero is the MVP of fudge making. It's flexible, it's reliable, and it spreads fudge better than gossip at a family reunion. Honestly, I wouldn't dare make fudge without one. It's that important. Plus, it makes cleanup easier, and who doesn't love less mess? Let me tell you about the time I went completely overboard with fudge. It was Christmas season, and I decided to make not one, not two, but every flavor of fudge I could think of. And no, I didn't eat it all, though the temptation was real. Instead, I turned my kitchen into a fudge factory and gifted it to everyone I knew. What did I make? You'll find all the recipes in my fudge playlist. Just a heads up, don't get carried away like I did. Fudge making is highly addictive. You've been warned. Next up, let's talk pans. This is where the magic happens, or the chaos if you choose poorly. Pretty much any pan will work for making fudge. Yes, even a cookie cutter. That's right, one cookie cutter can get the job done. But I have one pan that is absolutely perfect for making fudge. And you'll never guess what it is, or why it works so well. I won't spill the beans here. You'll have to watch my separate video to find out. For now, let's focus on the liner debate. Personally, I'm team parchment paper. It peels off like a dream, keeps your fudge in one piece, and won't make you want to pull your hair out. Aluminum foil? Ugh, don't get me started. It rips, it sticks, and if it were a person, I'd ghost it. Plus, it's becoming a serious health hazard. Imagine gifting someone fudge with a surprise shard of aluminum foil stuck inside. Not exactly the kind of surprise anyone wants. Stick with parchment paper for a stress-free, safe experience. Okay, confession time. Some folks skip the liner altogether. They pour the fudge straight into the pan and use a warm water bath to pop it out later. And while that works, it's definitely playing with fire, or fudge in this case. I've tried it, and let's just say I'll stick with my trusty parchment paper. Thank you very much. Maybe one day I'll be brave enough to try this method again, but for now I'll play it safe. Let's do a quick recap. Here's your fudge making toolkit: a small pot, a large glass bowl, a baking pan, parchment paper, and a silicone spatula. That's it. Simple, right? These tools will set you up for fudge success and make you wonder why you didn't start making fudge sooner. Got any secret tools or tricks for fudge making? I'd love to hear about them. Drop me a comment below. And don't miss my next video, where I'll spill all my secrets for cutting fudge into those perfect square pieces. If you've ever struggled to get that clean, professional look, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the tips and tricks I've learned to make every piece look like it came straight out of a bakery. So stay tuned, because perfect fudge squares are just one video away. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you there.